In this lesson, we'll be learning emotions in Te Reo Māori, the Māori language. The word for emotions is karearoto, or the ebbs and flows within. The first kupu is harikoa, or happy. You can also just use hari or koa individually. Both mean happy. The next is mataku, or fear. Wehi is to be shocked. Ohorere is to be surprised. Pōuri is sad. Disgust is mō rikarika. I like that one, mō rikarika. It even sounds like how it feels. Pukuriri is anger or angry. Fun fact, Māori believe our emotions come from our puku, or stomach. So pukuriri literally translates to an angry stomach. Māori also say, ki ana te puku I te aroha. My stomach is full of love, as a phrase of affection. Speaking of love, love is aroha. Trust is tautiaki. The last kupu is Māoriori, which I think is an amazing kupu. It means to be free from anxiety, contented, at ease, serene, unruffled, untroubled. I hope you enjoyed this lesson on karearoto, or emotions. Tēnā, karawhiua. Give it a go.